Hello guys, greetings from Kharkov, Ukraine. My name is Svetlana Mukha and I'm the leading matchmaker and dating coach at Duoly.com. Today we will discuss how to make a girl fall in love with you. Numerous books, YouTube channels, articles online, different dating gurus suggest different approach. Some recommend to just register at an online dating site or to use a dating app, while others encourage to go offline to bars, to coffee shops and to approach singles on streets. Let's assume that you are confident enough to approach a girl you like on the street or in the coffee shop. But how to make sure that she sees the real you? How to make sure that you really stand out among other suitors? How to make sure that she likes you? The rumor has it women like confident guys, but some men mix confidence with arrogance, and smart adult women really do not appreciate arrogance. It is a huge turn off for them. As a professional matchmaker with 12 years of experience, I can confess that women really prefer straightforwardness and honesty, especially if we are talking about Ukrainian or any Eastern European women. Honesty and straightforwardness doesn't mean though that right on the first date you have to confess her about all your sexual fantasies and preferences, that you will share with her all your health issues and how much money do you own to the bank. This will be a turn off. It is not honesty, it is stupidity. This means that you set the dynamic in your acquaintance that can blossom into a healthy relationship. You text first, you invite her out on dates, you bring flowers, you start conversations, you tell compliments, and you foot the bill on the date. This also means that you are very honest, and when you don't like something, you say it. When you like something, you say it too. Also, Ukrainian ladies like it when the gentleman is not playing games and he is honest about his true intentions. He keeps his word. This is very attractive for a Ukrainian woman. So how to make a Ukrainian girl fall for you? First of all, you have to understand that you can't play by Western rules in Ukraine. What has worked in the US, in the UK or in Germany won't work in Ukraine with your Ukrainian love interests. Learn the peculiarities about Eastern European culture and especially about Ukrainian culture if you are courting a Ukrainian lady, and better do it from local Ukrainian resources. Don't rely only on Western dating gurus, even if he is married to a Ukrainian woman. First of all, even if his strategy has worked on his wife, it doesn't mean that the same strategy can be applied to your love interest, because she can be very different from the wife of that dating guru, and a lot will depend on her age, a lot will depend on her level of education, on her family, on her traditions, on her circle of friends. Make sure she feels special and wanted. Good, smart compliments can help you a lot, while cliché compliments, standard compliments will be a huge turn off. If you date someone who speaks another language, it is always a good idea to compliment her English skills. It takes lots of time, patience and effort to master the language and of course to be fluent in it. When you compliment something the person is really proud of, you hit the nail on the head. But don't forget that complimenting the language skills is a safe compliment, because you can give it to your colleague or to your friend, and if you stick to safe compliments only, the lady can irrevocably friend zone you. Slavic women take pride in their looks and they truly dress to impress, so complimenting all her efforts is always a good idea. As a foreigner, you can pull off this extra romance and exotic card, because relationship with you from the very beginning promise extra romance and promise extra fun. You can choose the best from each culture and bring it into your relationship. You can teach each other the peculiarities of each other cultures. You can have fun about it. Pretty often gentlemen expect that the lady will westernize in the aspects that are convenient for him. For example, one gentleman has asked me when his Ukrainian girlfriend will start suggesting splitting the bills in the restaurant like his ex from Texas did. Well, she won't. A Ukrainian lady can spend all her salary on her dress or on her makeup or on her shoes to impress you on the date, but she will take it as a personal offense if you suggest that she pays for her cappuccino even if it costed like $10. Flowers, dinners, cinema and theater tickets are expected while you date a Ukrainian lady. Nobody expects a new iPhone, a jewelry or a fur coat on the early stage of dating. Well, the exception will be when you try to court a lady who is 15-20 years younger. In this case, date, you will have to compensate for the age gap with more extravagant gifts. Now you can accuse me that this sounds rude. If you want to date someone 15-20 years younger, why should you compensate for the age gap? Well guys, that's reality. Try to be honest with yourself. What do you expect from a relationship with a Ukrainian lady? Why a Ukrainian lady? What are your long-term goals? What are your goals for the next 5-10 years? Do they align with the goals of the lady? If they align, make sure that she knows about your plans. Discuss them with her. Be sincere, be honest, be smart about your dating strategy, and make sure you have adjusted your Western dating strategy to her Ukrainian culture. It sounds complicated, but it actually is not, and as a result you will be rewarded with the love of a very special, beautiful Ukrainian lady. Guys, I want to wish you only smart and romantic dates with special ladies who choose you for all the right reasons. With love, Svetlana Mukha from Dioly.com.